My video is about removing the ransomware that is called Chernobyl. Chernobyl, as you probably know, is a special nuclear power station that caused the tragedy back in 1986. But in this particular case, Chernobyl is a ransomware that encrypts the files and damages them considerably. So this video will demonstrate to you what exactly happens after this ransomware is injected into the computer. Chernobyl ransomware is able to encrypt the files and damage them considerably. Typically, the attack of this ransomware is the result of poor protection of your computer by the existing security software. You can now clearly see what happens with the files after they get encrypted by this Chernobyl ransomware. So a special extension is given to the files, and this extension is called Chernobyl. The ransomware also puts this ransomware note mentioning that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the certain ransom for the file restoration. It also indicates this email address, which is used by the victims as the method to contact the developers of the ransomware for file restoration guidelines. But the point is that we strongly urge you not to contact these developers because there is no guarantee that your files would be restored. In the same way, do not pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that your files would be recovered. We recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus to remove this Chernobyl ransomware. For this purpose, you might need to use your Internet Explorer browser to download Combo Cleaner through the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green button, install the software, and then start researching your device. You might need to implement similar tricks to start the program. Go to Program Files directory, Combo Cleaner, start Combo Cleaner directly through this location. First of all, the program will be in the trial mode. You need to wait until the program updates its antivirus database. The trial mode only gives the quick scan option so far. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, click on Start Scan button and begin researching your device with its help. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus is taking place, you could research some features of Combo Cleaner. For instance, it's anti-ransomware feature allowing you to add certain folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats that were revealed. You will be able to know their exact location on your system, even though some of these threats can be removed manually. We strongly advise upgrading to Premium to delete them altogether and automatically. And this way, your data will always be protected in the future.